Morning everybody. Boat hair, don't care. Another use for my incredibly absorbent and antibacterial Norwex cloth. Whenever you kayak, no matter what waterway you go into, it's super important that you, well, boat in any way, shape or form anyway, it's super important that you clean off your boat completely and get all of the aquatic, everything, water, bacteria, and everything off of that boat so that it doesn't get transported to another waterway. This morning I was on Lake Elmo and it was my first time, and it seems to be quite a bit less algae and very, very clean and everything, but nevertheless, my Norwex cloth, this is the E for everything Enviro cloth, and it has enough fibers that if you undid it, it would stretch from the border of Canada to the border of Mexico. It's really, really absorbent, antibacterial with the silver technology called backlock, and great for something like this because then it just goes into the wash with my Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent and kills all that bacteria and doesn't make it grow or let it grow in this cloth. So another use, not everybody's a kayaker, I get that, or a canoeer, but something that I wanted to share with you. Have a great day, everybody.